Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a slime little video. So what you're going to need for this is some borax solution. I know it looks like water, but it is not, trust me. You're going to need some foaming hand soap. I don't have any, so I use Foaming Facial Cleanser. It works for me. You don't have to use that. I'm just going to use it's just face moisturizer, lotion, conditioner, some containers, and some Elmer's glue. And it doesn't have to be Elmer's glue. I just love Elmer's glue. Alright, so, yeah. So you need some food coloring and some bubbles. You don't have to use bubbles. I just thought I would try this. It's a tutorial of my own. So we're making one type of slime. I wanted to make it either bubble slime or glossy slime. So, yeah. Let's just get started with this. So, let's just get started with this. And hopefully we'll see if this works. Alright, let's get on. Alright, so first you're going to need your bowl. I don't know what this is, honestly. Literally. Alright, so first what you want to add is some Elmer's glue. That is enough glue. Alright, so let's add. Alright, so next you're going to want to add some of your bubbles. Alright, if this will open. Yeah, you guys are falling. Bubble mixture. Oh, that's a little bit too much. I'm just going to take some of it out, just like that. I know it's spilled. Alright, so next you just want to add either 1 drop of food coloring. You don't have to add it right now, but I think I'm just going to do that. 1 squirt. I forgot this does not squirt, so we have to go bottle. Take off the top. Alright, so yeah, it's just, oops, I'm so messy today. I've never ever been this messy. Just do about that much. It's not gonna foam because, what do you call it? But it will look like it is foamy, so don't worry. Alright, so we're gonna do about 2 squirts. For this one, about 3, I'd say. There you go. And you just wanna add how much ever lotion you want. Or not lotion, conditioner. I think conditioner is like the biggest key, honestly. So, come on. Alright, let's just, ooh, I love the smell of this. This is like my favorite conditioner, guys. Did I grab the conditioner? Yeah. Alright, so next we're going to stir. You don't have to use a pencil to stir. I just didn't want to clean forks and spoons up. So, yeah. I'm just going to mix this on in. And yeah. Do you guys like my nails? I don't know. Yeah, nothing special, just nails. Alright, so I can see this does not like to be mixed. It does look a little glossy off camera, so that's a good thing. If you want to add more conditioner and all that when the video, like when you're done with it, after you're adding the solution, you can. It's very bubbly, guys. Oh my gosh, yay! We're gonna have a very crunchy slime. See, that's why I added the bubbles in, if you guys like can understand that. I know I'm lazy. I didn't want to go to the store and get a background for this. So, I was being simple. And just got like a whole bunch of copy paper. I'm just going to add a little bit more of my bubbles. Maybe just the whole thing, actually. Alright, there you go. If that doesn't affect the solution, it shouldn't. But if it does, it's okay. I will figure a way out to get it to work. But it's all worth the experiment. This is just supposed to be like a glossy slime. It's so bubbly. I love it. Alright, let's add in our solution. So I like to add my solutions in bottles like this. So yeah, let's add a little bit at a time because we can't take out the solution. Okay, so now that I see it's starting to come together, I'm still going to add just a little bit more. So if you guys want to know what happens if you guys add too much solution, if you're new to making slime, what can happen is that it will be like putty. It's hard to stretch and it's not soft or anything. I prefer liquid starch. Nothing can really go that wrong with liquid starch unless you add too much, and it is very hard to pull together. Like, it's very hard to make it come together. Alright, so still not ready. I'm not even supposed to be making slime because of my nails, so Yeah. Because the Food Coloring can stain my nail polish. Or the gel nails, so I should say. Yeah, I'm afraid for that to happen because it costs like quite a few bucks to get your nails done. If you've got your nails done before, you know how hard it is to keep them clean and all that. It costs us about, I'm going to give you guys an estimate, about $40. And then if you go to a place where like kids, they get it done for only $10, that's nice, but we couldn't find any places like that, so yeah. And the places that did, they're like, no, she is not 10. So she's gonna have to go the hard way. They didn't believe I was 10, they thought I was 12. Whatever. So we just left and got it done at another place. So there you go. I'm not gonna add any more solution to this because that might mess up my slime. So I'm not going to go in and knead it like you're supposed to right now. I'm going to just keep on stirring it. Why is that doing that to me? I don't know why the tripod keeps on falling, honestly. So, yeah. Thought I got like... Oh my gosh. Literally. This whole thing is like falling apart. Alright, let's add some more solution. There you go. So... There we go. Yeah, it's starting to come together. At this moment, you're supposed to go in with your hands. I'm not going to go in. I'm just going to keep on stirring. And as I stir, it should supposedly come together. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to get back to you guys when it starts to come together. Alright, guys, so this is the final of the slime. It does look white, but it is not white right now. It is a pink slime. So yeah, let's just change this slime on up. So ready, set, change. See, I don't know why it looks like a different color. But yeah, trust me, it is not this color. It is a pink slime. But yeah, it's so crunchy, guys. If you guys have your volume all the way up and it's hurting your ears, turn it down. I know you guys can barely hear my voice because of this crunchy slime, but whatever. And then I let it sit overnight, guys, and yeah, so you guys can see I don't have the white background anymore. But I let it sit overnight, and it was so crunchy. It was like it was a crunchy slime. Honestly, I love this slime so much, and yeah. So it was sticky. So you know how they say add cornstarch to your slime? That is exactly what I did. But instead of cornstarch, I did liquid starch, and they both work. So yeah, I just added a little bit because it was coming together, but it was sticky, like drooping, and it would stretch a little bit. And then it would just break, so I added some liquid starch, and yeah. It's just what it looks like. You may add foam beads if you would like. I don't think I'm going to do foam beads for this slime. I think this slime's good. But yeah, I think I'm going to make like that. And this is like another fluffy slime. It's so fluffy. It's sort of like the iceberg, but not really. Because feels just like fluffy slime. And smells just like fluffy slime, but smells a lot better. And I didn't use the ingredients to make fluffy slime. So yeah, I think the slime is so awesome. The heck? It farted. That was so cool. Alright guys, I love this slime so much. And yeah. So if you guys want to subscribe to me, you guys can. If you guys like my channel. And yeah, do you guys like my nails? I think I already asked. Yeah, I did already ask you guys, but do you guys like them? Comment. I don't know why this looks like white slime. Oh my god, that looks so cool, guys. Let's retry that. Alright, let's bring the camera down. Alright, let's get... Alright, ready, set. Alright, let's see. Just give this a nice little stretch. Oh, no, that was a fail. Alright, anyways. Yeah. Alright, guys, please click like and subscribe. If you guys like my channel, you guys may subscribe. You don't have to. But, yeah. My shout-outs. Alright, so let me give shout-outs. No giveaway. No giveaway for this one either because, I don't know. There's just no giveaway for this video. Let's see. Shout-outs. Let me think. So, I'm going to give a shout-out to, let's see. I guess I'll give a shout-out to Juan. Juan, shout-out to you, I guess. And shout-out to my whole entire class. I love my class so much. Yeah, I know my throat sounds horrible and my voice does, but yeah, I'm just going to deal with it. My voice sounds always horrible on camera. I wonder if that's what my voice actually sounds like. Alright guys, I'll let you guys go and press that like button and see you in my next video. Bye! Oh yeah, and then shout outs to my other people. Before I said bye, I should have said this. But shout outs to my other people. Those people are... to my whole YouTube, alright? Alright, bye guys. No shout out to Juan, shout out to my whole YouTube.